I'm Alex and welcome to this week's grocery haul. I went to both Walmart and Aldi this week and I'm also going to share my meal plan at the end. All right, here's a quick overview of Aldi. We're going to go around to the back here. We'll start with my embarrassingly large amount of chips that I bought this week. I got 2 bags of these all dressed. It says a mixture of barbecue, salt and vinegar, and ketchup. I think that's a Canadian flavor. That's not something that we typically get here, at least in the Midwest. I picked some pub style pretzels, some Takis. We got our mother-in-law in town and that's her favorite, or at least used to be, hopefully still. Some Mexican style street corn flavored Big Dipper corn chips. Moving along, I got 4 pizzas this week. We're having a birthday party. I have a cheese, a pepperoni, and then I got 2 of the mega meat extra large. I think they're pretty good at Aldi for what they are. Move around here to the produce. Okay, so I got some red grapes, spring mix. I have 6 things of zucchini here. A big thing of romaine lettuce, bananas. Got some tomatoes on the vine, some Wild Wonders tomatoes, 2 things of Brussels sprouts. Got some fresh peeled garlic. Got a pack of 3 peppers, some lemons, a pack of jalapenos. Move around to the back here so we don't forget anything. Okay, I have some croutons, the Olive Garden croutons. This I have not seen and I am excited about this. This is poblano chicken broth. So I'm going to try to make some grits with that. I'm gonna make shrimp and grits this week and I'm gonna use that as the chicken broth in my grits. I think it might be really good. Anyways, here we have some cauliflower gnocchi, 2 things of cheese dip and cracker sticks, 2 things of the peanut butter crackers, some Flavor Kiss chewy granola bars. I got some extra toasty crackers, mini chocolate chip cookies, little packs, some fruit snacks. Move down here, we got some Singles guacamole. My gosh, I'm looking at the words and I still couldn't come up with that. Okay, got some Moo tubes. I got 2 packs of turkey sticks. Here I have some lemongrass paste. Move over here. I got some oat milk, some significantly spicy hummus, some Parmesan cheese, some feta, some light sour cream, some Neuchâtel cheese or cream cheese, and these I got as my little treat, which of course I'll have to share, but these are little mini layered cake bites. The flavors sound so good. There's chocolate hazelnut, mango lime, raspberry passion fruit, and caramel and date. Let's see, these are some eggplant cutlets. I don't have a plan with these. They were just on sale and they looked really good. I have some prosciutto, bacon, and here I have 4 packs of turkey bacon. I don't know if they're gonna stop carrying this brand or what, because they were on clearance for only $1.50. So I got 4 packs of them. Here I have some tomato and basil chicken sausage, some ham slices, or Canadian bacon is what we call it, a turkey polska kielbasa, some steelhead trout. I think I might cook this up for lunch today. If I don't cook it for lunch, it's gonna go in the freezer because I need to use it today. And then we got a big pack of chicken back there. And last but not least, we have our bread. This is just the split top wheat. And then I have 4 packs of English muffins. You'll see why in the meal plan. I was putting stuff away and I almost forgot the most exciting thing I bought. These I found at Aldi, the strawberries and cream rose cones. I got them just because the packaging got me, and how cute is that for my kids? All right, so this is the Walmart portion of the haul. This is what I actually went in for, just this section over here. I got a 32-ounce bag of collard greens, some fresh basil. These are hands down the best baguettes. They're Julian's recipe country style baguette with truffle butter. So good. And then I got 3 boxes of the garlic toast. That's my kids' favorite kind of garlic bread. I have some frozen berries, the triple berry blend, a bag of frozen spinach. The strawberries actually looked pretty good this week, so I got a 2-pound container of those. I got some cuties. This is the second time we've bought this. This is actually really good. It's the Rob's Backstage Popcorn. This is the Indian spices flavor. I got a thing of ramen, and then I picked up some shampoo for Ryan. Stay tuned, and then we'll get into the meal plan. All right, so this is this week's meal plan. Tonight we're having the pizza from Aldi. Tomorrow we're gonna have the shrimp and grits with collard greens. On Monday, I will make eggs Benedict, and that's a first for me. I've actually never tried making eggs Benedict before, so we'll find out how that turns out. On Tuesday, I'm making a sun-dried tomato gnocchi with chicken sausage, and we'll have that with salad and garlic bread. On Wednesday, I'm going to make zucchini boats, and we'll probably have some bread on the side with that. And then on Thursday, I'm making a spinach salad with a Parmesan crusted chicken breast, which is pretty good. I might make some Brussels sprouts on the side with that. I'm not quite sure. I make my Brussels sprouts with feta and balsamic glaze and bacon, so they kind of don't even count as a vegetable anymore at that point, hence why I'll put them on the side of the salad. But that is my meal plan for this week and everything that I got for groceries. If you like what you saw, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.